day 4 of our trip, and we are headed to the fastest go-karts in town. That's what it says. So we'll see you when we get there. See, it says fastest indoor go-karts in town, upstairs and down. Don't step on the trail. Don't step on the trail. Tempo, you just broke my tempo. See forward, I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The end don't step on the trail. Don't step on the trail. Don't step on the trail. I know I said all of my rap flows like they my tadpoles. I just had to go back out in my deep. We are headed to the next track. Comment down below if you thought those were the fastest go-karts. With the go-karts, they clearly were not the fastest go-karts in town. They were not the fastest in town. I'm pretty sure there's some faster go-karts than those go-karts right there. And we were only, how many times we went around?
The big one like 3. That one's probably like 7.
We went around the little track like 7 times. All right, we're on to our next destination. Y'all, I'm about to ride the mountain coaster by myself. Daddy and DJ decided they didn't want to ride, so they are waiting in the car for me. So as soon as my coaster moves up a little bit more, I'll go ahead and hop in and we'll see what this is all about. Going up. the end of the track. That was fast. I thought they said it was like
Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride.
Good morning. It is day 5 of our trip, and we're getting breakfast from Paula Deen's. Is it Paula Deen's? So now I'm just waiting for Daddy and DJ to park, and then we'll go in. See you inside. Look at this bag. You're the butter to my biscuit. Happiness is homemade, y'all. They had these candles at the beach. Fresh peach. Let me see how much they are. They were, oh dog, they were $14.99 at the beach, and they're $19.99 here. It's a whole $5 difference. Okay, so for breakfast, you choose 3. We're gonna get the ooey gooey butter pancakes, the alrighty then scrambled eggs, and the apple cinnamon French toast. For the breakfast meat, they chose sausage patties. They only have pork, it looks like. And then for breakfast treats, you get 2 of these. And we chose the country fried potatoes. Oh, look at this. We chose the country fried potatoes and the fried grits.
DJ, oh, it's right here. You want?
So how's the cinnamon roll?
Pretty good, pretty good. I think I want another one actually, but I want to save room for the cinnamon French toast.
How's the icing?
Very sweet. That's why your son likes it.
You like it, DJ?
He ate all the ice.
Sleepyhead.
Alright guys, your food will be out in just a few moments.
Thank you.
And I'll be back with a little bit of orange juice for everybody. We didn't have any glasses back there, but I'll be right back with you.
DJ licked all the icing off the plate.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real.